The business I started was actually called Ampumen. We created a product called PR Lotion. It came out of a biotech and was partially funded by the Department of Defense. And it was doing something that had never been done before. And we really committed to clinical research. I always wanted to build a business that was at the forefront of high performance, human performance is what I call it, that actually services the consumer and bridges that gap. So how do you have elite level knowledge, elite level validation, but trickle it down so that it makes sense to that individual that's trying to be a high performer? It's taking the thoughts from the best people in the world, bringing them into the business and making them a part of the business to help identify where we want to go, what products we want to make, actually doing the clinical research, working with those best to say, all right, we have really unique products. What do we need to do to continue to validate those, right? And continue to do science, because ultimately, we want to be a part of the future. We don't want to just be building things. And we have to be humble enough to say, we don't know all the answers. We have good data. We're getting better data, and we're going to continue in that pursuit. But we are never going to be afraid to ask hard questions, do more clinical research, and say we were wrong. Because the industry we are in is the Wild West. There's so much bro science, and anybody and their moms can start a supplement company out of their garage. That's the challenge and the opportunity that exists, is how do you elevate above that? And you have to do that with working with the best, getting certified with the best products in the market, and actually trying to push science forward in a very meaningful way if we want to build a meaningful company and we want to stay true to being at the forefront of human performance and working with the best strength coaches, the best dietitians, the best scientists in the world. You have to commit to that, or everybody else is like, you're just another one. My goal has never been to be another one, and it's always to, how do you do it better than it's ever been done before? And that's what we're building at Momentous.